Okay, Amy Carbine, Double Diamond Networks distributor. I am going to show you something amazing. I'm going to do something with the fat fighters. I'm going to show you what happens when you take these. Oh, my phone's ringing, sorry. So, what I have here is some water and I have some oil just at the top. This kind of represents your stomach, and the oil represents the fatty foods that you've eaten. So, when I eat my donuts, I always have my fat fighters. And in here, I've just crushed up some fat fighters to put on there to kind of show you what happens when you take the fat fighters. This is one of my favorite demonstrations because it's an easy way to show you what happens in your body when you take these. They're all natural. I'm going to put it up close so you can kind of see when it starts to fall. It looks pretty gross. It absorbs up to 70% of the fat and carbs in your food. So you take it after a heavy meal. You see all that at the bottom. Ooh, so gross. But I love that. When I first joined at Works, this was one of the first things I bought because it was the cheapest thing we have, and I couldn't afford a lot when we first started. So it was around my birthday, and I eat whatever I want on my birthday. So I thought, I'm going to put this to the test. And after everything fatty that I ate that day, I took 2 fat fighters, and I lost a pound the next day after doing that. And I was like, no way, that never happens. And so in the name of science, I had to try it again. So a week later, I still maintained that pound lost. And I did another day where I just ate whatever I wanted and took fat fighters afterwards and lost another pound. And I was sold after that. And I think my body's used to them enough now, so my body just maintains. But they are one of my favorite supplements. So let me know if you have any questions. Greensaregreat.com. Thanks.